Ano nga ba ang family? Family is a small community group, and as a group, it works best if it can designate certain people to complete certain tasks. Ayun, alam naman natin sa family na binubuo ng mother, father, and mga anak. Siyempre, sa family, kinocompose ng different tasks. Siyempre, bawat task may naka-assign sa each family member. Meron tayong family functions and roles na binubuo sa family. Unang-una is physical maintenance. A healthy family provides food, shelter, clothing, and health care for its members. Siyempre, alam naman natin na ang family, ang basic na binibigay ng mother, father sa mga anak is healthy food, shelter, clothing, and health care for its. Kunwari, may sakit, or daily check-up na ginagawa ng parents para mapanatili na healthy yung kanilang mga anak. Socialization of family members. This task involves preparing children to live in the community and to interact with people outside the family. At yun yung stage na napag-uusapan ng pamilya kung ano yung nagiging problema sa bahay nila, kung may nagawang mali yung anak nila, dito na nila yung napagsasabihan. Tsaka dito na rin yung stage na yung mga bata nakikipaglaro sa ibang bata. Allocations of resources. Determining which family needs will be met and their order of priority is allocation of resources. Siyempre, being practical sa pamilya, kailangan maging practical kasi pag hindi mo alam yung priorities mo, pwede ito maging problema. Siyempre, ang number one priority natin sa mga anak natin is education, yung mga daily needs natin na like food, yung mga monthly bills natin. Yun yung mga pinaprioritize ng mga parents natin para mas mabuti yung buhay. Maintenance of order. Ito naman yung mga rules and regulations na binibigay ng family para sa each members. This task includes establishing family values, establishing rules about expected family responsibilities and roles, and enforcing regulations for a family. Ito din yung mga, syempre, hindi maiiwasan sa mga age natin na maraming pinagbabawal sa atin, mga kabataan, and ito yung sinasabing maintenance of orders, yung mga sinasabi ng parents natin na huwag mo gagawin yan, masama yan para sa'yo, ito yung dapat gawin mo, pag nasa bahay ka, ito yung task mo na maglinis ka ng bahay, ito yung simple acts, pero mahalaga siya para mag-maintain ng order sa bahay. Next one is division of labor. Healthy family evenly divides the workload among members, and it's flexible enough that they can change workloads as needed. Siyempre, lahat tayo may task tayo sa bahay natin kung ano yung gagawin natin para hindi magulo at para hindi magpasahan ang ginagawa. Tsaka, yung division of labor, para maging productive naman and at the same time, nakakapag-produce siya ng magandang communication sa family kasi parang hindi nagsisisihan pag hindi nagawa ng isang task. Reproduction. Having to accept a new infant into an already crowded household make a pregnancy a less than welcome. Ayun, ito na nga yung, kunwari, masusundan yung panganay, magkakaroon ng bagong family member. Ito yung acceptance stage. Ito yung pinapaliwanag ng family sa anak na magiging ate or kuya ka na, kailangan parang i-explain mo kung ano yung magiging responsibilities and duties niya. Tsaka para maging prepared yung family sa sa pagkakaroon ng bagong family member sa family. A placement of members into large society. Healthy families realize that they do not have to operate alone but can reach out to other families or their community for help of any need. Ayun, ito na yung stage na naiisip ng family na, ay, hindi lang pwede magstay yung mga anak ko dito kasi kailangan din nila ng interaction with other kids. Ito na din yung stage na dinadala ng mga magulang yung mga anak nila sa school para matuto and ma-educate and magkaroon ng other friends and to mingle to other friends. Tsaka, ito din yung dinadala yung mga bata sa different activities, kung ano yung mga sports, religious events, ito na yung dinadala sa church, basement. Ito na yung last. Maintenance of motivation and moral. Healthy families are able to maintain a sense of unity and pride in the family. Siyempre, as a parents, sila talaga yung may pride. Tsaka, sila yung nag-maintain ng unity sa bahay natin. And yung role naman ng mga anak, siyempre, pag wala yung parents sila yung nag-follow ng instructions para ma-implement ito sa bahay nila, tsaka para hindi magkagulo. And isa pa, sinasabi dito na pag may unity daw yung families, magiging okay and mas magiging harmonious yung relationship nila sa mga kids.